My name's Jennifer Zacharias. I'm 49 years old, and I had a total knee replacement done in November of 2017 by Dr. Carlson, and it's one of the best things in my life I've ever done. I wish I would have done it sooner than what I did. I was an avid softball player for approximately 30 years. Most of the time I was a catcher, and of course, being a catcher, you're on your knees a lot and everything, and I just had a lot of pain in my knee and a lot of arthritis. And I had two kids. That's how we met Dr. Carlson, is through school and everything. He recommended that I come to his doctor's office, and he took a look, and he said I definitely needed to have my knee replaced, and I would know when the time was right. Well, fast forward about 12 years, and I started a new job. My boss really loved running and encouraged me to start doing half marathons. I did 8 half marathons, and my times were gradually getting worse because my knee hurt so bad. And I finally decided the time was right when I ended up coming down with breast cancer, and I missed a bunch of work. And I decided that was just the time to do it. There was a reason for me to want to get my knee replaced at that time, right before I turned 50. And it's one of the best things I've ever done. Dr. Carlson said it would take me anywhere between 8 and 12 weeks of physical therapy. And with the help of Josh and Fred and Veronica with OSC, I completed my physical therapy in less than 6 weeks. I did a half marathon, which is 13.1 miles, exactly 16 weeks after surgery, and actually cut off quite a bit of time from when I had done it before the knee before the knee replacement. And there was no pain. It was incredible how fun it was doing this half marathon. So I've been training to do half marathons. I've done 6 on my new knee, or as we call her, Niecy. And I'm training to do a marathon for my 50th birthday down in Disney World. I just want to give a huge shout out to Dr. Carlson for helping me decide when the time was right to get my knee replaced, and that was by letting me make the decision. And it's been the best thing that I think I've ever done, the best elective surgery that I had done because it was needed. And I still have a life thanks to him. I can still go out and run around and play with my kids and just have fun with life. I'm no longer almost 50. I like to think I'm almost 30.